Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I am just so want to eat some cheesecake. Just want to eat some pure cheesecake. And I have searched the recipe and I have thought about my previous recipe. So this time I want to make it without starch or with starch, but with the minimum of starch or carbon. So I put egg yolk, I put sugar, cream, whipping cream, and my homemade condensed yogurt, and then make it blend together. Of course, you can put in a whole egg, but I was always think that using the egg yolk, it feels so rich and so tasty. So I didn't put whole egg white. I didn't put only egg yolk. Blend them together, make it smooth, and then bake it. I baked in low fire for about 50 minutes, 30 to 50 minutes, 320 degree. And when I open it up, it looks so good. When the time is due, it looks so good, so fluffy like souffle. And when it is cooled down, it becomes quite dense. And I want to make it without any carbon, but it just does not have that fluffiness. So the next time I have some leftover biscuit, leftover cake, so I combine them. Instead of using cornstarch, I used biscuit, and this time it comes so much better. And it is done with full density, full texture, and it's just enjoyable. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye, bye. The whole video is in another complete video. I put in the link under the description of this video or put at the end of this video. So if you want to see the whole process, and also the recipe is in my Etsy shop. So silly, but I'm very happy with the result. Bye bye.